guys, welcome back to Travel With Me. Today I've got a very exciting video for you all. I am in Disneyland Paris with my best friend. We arrived here this morning really early, but I haven't vlogged up until now because it was absolute chaos getting through the airport, finding the train from the airport to Marne Valley, and then finding the shuttle bus from Marne Valley to our hotel. We are staying in the Marriott Village de France, and it's so lovely. We've just been exploring. We've got a 2-bedroom apartment. We're staying here with Disney Vacation Club points. It's actually 25 degrees here today, which is so lovely. It makes such a difference because we seem to have had such a long winter in England this year, and it's just been so cold. So it's just so nice to have a day of warmth. It is back down to 19 tomorrow and then down to 15 the day after. So it should feel more comfortable for walking down the parks. The park opens at 9:30 and we're planning to stay there all day through to watching the fireworks in the evening, which we're so excited about, and the drone show, which is here until September, which I'm very excited about watching. So that's all I have to say for tonight, but I'll see you guys in the morning for a day at Disneyland Paris. Hey guys, and good morning. It's currently 8:15 in the morning. We are both all ready for the parks. I've got my pass holder ears on from last year, and I'm very excited about going to the parks. So the first shuttle from our hotel is at 10 to 9, so we're going to aim to get that. So we need to go to the reception and buy the pass to get on the shuttle bus, and then queue up and see how that goes. We've not done the shuttle from this hotel before, so we're not too sure how it works and whether it will be busy, whether there will be a queue. So we thought we'll get there early and just figure it out. We'll see you guys in the parks probably, but I will film some of the journey to getting there so that you guys know what it's like if you are staying at the Marriott Village de France. Hey guys, so we are now in Disney. I'm sorry I haven't updated sooner, but it was absolute chaos getting in. It was really busy because we got here at opening, but the bus was really easy. It was only 15 minutes from the hotel, less than. It was €3.90 return trip for each of us, so it was really good price. Anyway, we are now in the park. It's really cold. We are both freezing. I think it's currently 10 degrees, but it's meant to get up to 20. So you want like 5. It does feel like 5. So you wanted to dress in clothes that were good for the warmth later, but that meant sacrificing being cold now. So we've kind of just been in the shops, and we're about to go on Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast. So we are in the shop. We have just been on Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. It was really good. I won. There's so many teddies. This is crazy. So this morning I forgot to mention we went on Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. How scary was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs? It was a bit creepy. It was a bit creepy. I forgot how scary it is, but it was really fun. And anyway, we're about to go on Space Mountain. Yeah, the spinning toy. So we have just been on Space Mountain and it was really good. Was it your first time on it? Yeah, and she hated it, but it's fine. It wasn't too bad. And anyway, we've just come onto the submarine because it's really cold outside and it's warm here, so we're just making the most of the warmth. This is really strange. I've never actually done this before. It's basically just a walkthrough of a submarine. This is really cool. Help. We are on Autopia. Hey guys, so we watched the parade. It was really amazing. It's a limited time parade. It's on until September. It was really good. So I got some footage of that, so I'll show you now. Went on Big Thunder Mountain and Phantom Manor, which were both amazing. We're going to head over to Indiana Jones now, and then we're just going to do some more rides, meet some more characters, and I'll probably put my camera away for a bit because it's getting quite busy here now, but it's been amazing. The weather is starting to look up again, which is nice for this evening. So we just watched the Lion King show and it was absolutely incredible. I got some video of it, so I'll insert it. It was amazing. It was basically just a sort of combination of loads of songs and from the musical and from the movie, and it was absolutely insane. It was very like West End standard. The songs were stunning, the singing was amazing, the dancing was fabulous. It was about half an hour and it was really nice just to sit down because we've had a very busy day, because we also went on Pinocchio and we also went on Peter Pan, which was really good. We're sat down ready to watch the Disney Stars on Parade. We're very excited. It's very busy, so I'm gonna put my camera down, but I will film some of the parade for you guys. And it was really good, and now we are heading to get some dinner before we finish off Fantasyland, and then we'll have a few hours. We would have done all the rides and we'll have a few hours before the fireworks show, so we might head over to Walt Disney Studios Park this evening. We'll see how we feel. We left the park, we went and got some dinner in Disney Village, because a few of the restaurants here, they actually shut at 5, so just check that on the app, to make sure you don't go too late to some of the quick services. Anyway, we then went into Walt Disney Studios Park, just went on a couple of the rides, and on Avengers Assemble Flight Force, which is new, well, since I've last been here, and it was amazing. It was very similar to Space Mountain, but it was really good and really fun. And then we went on Ratatouille, which we loved, and then now we're back in Walt Disney Park, ready to find a space to watch the fireworks. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to find a space, sit down, just chill for an hour or so until the show starts. And I'll probably just film some of that for you guys, and that'll probably be the end of today's vlog. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. It is our final full day in Disney, which is very sad, but we've just woken up, gotten ready, and now we are heading to the shuttle bus to go to Disneyland. We're gonna head into Disneyland Park, try and meet some more characters, go on a couple rides, and then we're gonna head over to the Studios Park and do that properly, try and get on every ride there today, and then probably not have as late a night as last night, because we need to pack up and get ready, because we need to be checked out of our room by 10 AM tomorrow. But I'll bring you along with us to the park today. Very excited to do some rides, to do Avengers Flight Force again because I loved it, and just see what's on today, maybe watch a few shows. Hey guys, so we've just been in Disneyland Park this morning. We have been on a few rides and it's just starting to rain, which is a shame. It's been quite cold this morning, but we prepared for that today and actually wore jumpers and jackets. Not that it's helped, but you know, it's Paris, it's April. Anyways, we are going to go on the train. Currently 2 of the stations are shut, so we have to go to the front of the park. We're going to do a lap round on the train, and then we're going to head over to the Walt Disney Studios Park, try and get as many rides done there, and then I'll film as much as I can. I haven't really filmed much this morning because it's kind of the same as yesterday, but I will update you guys in a bit. We also met Mickey Mouse, which was really fun, and we got photos with him. They're not taking photos for you anymore, so they're not touching your phones or camera, which is annoying, so you kind of can't really take photos of like a group of you. You can do one-on-one photos and take selfies, But that's changed since yesterday. So we are now in the Walt Disney Studios park, and we just watched the Pixar Together show, which was amazing. You weren't allowed to film in there, unfortunately, so I couldn't get any footage. But now I'm gonna go on the Hollywood Tower Hotel. My friend is not, so she will hold my stuff. But there it is. I'm very, very excited. So we're gonna go and queue for that now. And it's raining so much, so we've hidden under a shelter. Just gonna stay here until the rain dies down, but it is crazy. So I am now vlogging on my phone because it's been really wet and raining. So I put my camera properly away now. But what rides have we been on? We went on RC Racer, Ratatouille. We've done literally every ride in the park. Crush's Coaster, which she did not like. I love Crush's Coaster, it's so good. But we've got 2 more rides to do. We're just going to do the Web Slingers and the Avengers Flight Force Coaster. And then we would have done all the rides in this park today. Would have done all the rides in Walt Disney Studio in Disneyland Park yesterday. Apart from the parachute drop because it's closed because of the weather today. We are about to watch the Frozen show. We're just leaving Walt Disney Studios now. We're going to head out via a couple of shops, but I just thought I'd wrap the vlog up here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I've got some really exciting videos coming up this year. I've got some really exciting trips planned. Disney Cruises, an Adventures by Disney tour, which is incredible and I'm so excited for. So make sure you subscribe so that you see all those videos. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.